This video, hindi na tayo guys. Alam mo. Okay. Isang chicken. Saka bagong guys. Ayan. Bagong. Sarap bagong. Bino, sigaw ang ulam mo.
Chicken.
Ayan, lagay ka na.
Bagoong. Oo.
Saan si Kuya?
Kasi kuya.
Saan si Mer liwa? Ha? Mer! Ano, nakita mo na?
Kuya, kaya na.
Saan si Mer?
Wala. Kumat ka pa.
Mer!
Tulog na ni.
Tulog na. Ayaw kawak yung plato kanina.
Lagi naman nasama sa
Yung ano doon nila yan?
Ayan.
Kaya
Kuya, kaya na. Banyak ya, na. Ayan na.
Mer!
Hoy, kumain ka na rito. Halika na. Kanina pa datang ni Papa mo. Ako po. Halika na. Halika na.
Ayan, Jajan.
Hindi ba kinuha mo na ito, oh? Ayun na. Oo nga.
Ginawa ko yun.
I need you to stop whatever you're doing for the next 20 minutes. Seriously. Because what you are about to hear is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about birds.
May kape tayo, ya?
Birds have pigeons,
Hindi ka may kape?
parrot, a chicken
Ayaw mo?
is feeling adventurous. Nature, absolutely perfect for the last 50 million years. And some of the also so bizarre, so jaw-dropping, so hilariously over the top that you're going to pause this video and give them yourself. I promise. We are talking about birds that look like
Nakaka-beto din na lang.
you've never seen the bird before. Birds
Nakaka-beto din.
with personalities that
Ilit mo lang yan.
20 of them.
Tama yan tayo. Yaman.
You know how some creatures just have one thing they do that is so extra it is almost hard to believe?
Nagpakagutan talaga ako eh. Bagoong.
From its throat. During
Na meron ka?
Sino magpapasok ng tubig?
Papa mo.
he then fills it with air until
So, naglagay.
out to the size of a basketball, throws his head back, spreads his enormous black wings, which can span over 7 feet, and rattles his bill like a drum.
Tapos bagoong. Tapos bagoong nga.
He will hold that inflated pouch for up to 20 minutes while females
Tapos nagluluto ng bagoong.
It is meant
So kaya pag nagluluto, malansa.
from a fantasy film.
Paano? Pasan ito.
It was, because frigate birds have been doing this for a very
Luto
long
din
time.
nila ito, malansa, no? So sa cup.
Stopping.
Kaya lutong ito eh.
Fun bonus fact, frigate birds are also legendary aerial pirates. They harass other seabirds mid-flight, forcing them to drop or regurgitate their food, which the frigate bird then catches before it hits the water. They live a life that is simultaneously deeply
Ulam ako.
and profoundly chaotic.
Kaya, ulam.
This bird looks like it wants to speak to your manager.
Meron din nangyayari sa daan.
It's not laying around. Standing nearly 5
Sabi na sa trabaho ko, wala namang paanuhan doon. Sabi na sana ako maghahagilap dito.
Coaching.